Imagine yourself in this 1999 Mercury Grand Marquis GS. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 4 speakers, cassette, air conditioning, rear window defroster, power driver seat, power steering, power windows, speed sensing steering, 4-wheel disc brakes and dual front impact airbags. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.